Prevent negative action. Prevent negativity by choosing positive actions from the beginning. So for example, you can make your clothes dirty, right? Why would you get your clothes dirty in the first place? Those stains can stay forever and they're really difficult to get out of your clothes. Or people believe that, oh, if I do a negative action, it can be solved really, really quick. No, it's not the case. You have to avoid engaging in harmful behavior from the start and not try to cleanse yourself later. You have to be clean from the start. So avoid negative actions, avoid negative behavior. Why would you hurt yourself if you can avoid it from the beginning? Yalla, let's go, stay positive, avoid negative action. Let's go.